OPPO Reno 16 Standard Edition. Let's see what it looks like. First, this is a transparent and somewhat hard case. Especially at the bottom you see a relatively hard phone case with an 80W Type A charger. This phone body is so small, though it's still a small-sized standard version. I like this white color, which is called Cooking Blue Star Cave. I'm really tempted. I really like white. Its back cover is a glossy glass, but everyone look, if I shake the phone slightly, can you see a kind of 3D floating planet feeling? There is this feeling, right? Wow. This feeling is really wonderful. And if I look closely, its bottom has a kind of bling, fine powdery texture. Now, there are really not many phones that can have an atmospheric back cover. The upper left corner has a square lens module, and then there's an integrated cold carving process. There are a total of 3 lenses. The one on top is a 200 megapixel main color with a 1.56-inch aperture f1.8. The one below is the standard version with a 50 megapixel telephoto lens, and the one on the right is a 50 megapixel ultra-wide angle. The middle frame material is aluminum alloy with a right angle frame, but a new quick button has been added on the left side that can be used for one-click flash recording or customized for various functions. Its weight is 193.7 grams total. In this generation, the weight after applying a screen protector is 8.2 mm thick. It's very light. At the same time, because it's small-sized, it can be easily placed anywhere, and can also be used single-handedly. The front is a 6.32-inch, small-sized screen. Its bezel width looks like this, almost visibly equal on all 4 sides. It has a 6700 mAh battery, and is rated IP66, IP68, IP69, and IP69, or full dust and water resistance. This is the Reno standard version, but this time, there's something called OPPO Berber, that should be its name. Anyway, it's called the Slot Ball Selfie Screen. It's a round screen. The front frame is white, and the middle frame and back are integrated silver, similar to a cookie-shaped selfie screen. You can also call it the little OO screen. It has a power button on the right side, a Type-C port at the bottom, and comes with a transparent silicone case and a new keychain that you can attach to your keys. This is very nice. At the same time, it can snap like this, stick it to the back of the phone case, and put the phone together. Okay. First, after pairing successfully, a card will pop up in the phone. This is the interface after pairing successfully. So, swipe up from the bottom to open the phone's camera, and the camera interface will also be opened simultaneously. First, this is photo mode. Okay, switch on X, 3.5x, and 0.63 zoom levels. Swiping right on the camera interface enters the video interface, which also has 3 zoom levels that can be switched. In fact, this little OO screen is especially suitable to be carried on the back of the phone and then opened like this. You can use the rear camera to take selfies. This is very nice. There are 3 ways to exit. Swipe down from the top, swipe left from the right, or swipe right from the left. All can return to the home screen. Then, on the home screen, swipe down from the top to open the control center. Long press on the home screen to switch different wallpapers, and there's an application for the little OO screen on the phone. First is custom wallpaper. We can choose 3 formats: photo, live, and a video of up to 5 seconds. This is what I chose after the live format. Isn't it very nice? At the same time, it can add up to 20 materials. After adding the selected images, live photos and videos will be played in a loop on this little OO screen. Also, the phone can store up to 30 sets of materials in the application. It also has fun pets, currently with 5 pets. The first one is called Gigi, the second one is called Haha. The third one should be called, the fourth one is called Popo. The 5th one should be, let's bet on this. What do you think? Finally, there's a theme store. But interestingly, in the recommendations of the theme store, there are currently 3 themes that are drawn in a card drawing format. This is fun. At the same time, it can also set the screen off duration to 1 hour, 2 hours, and 4 hours, and can set 3 levels of screen brightness. Then, pressing the power button will lock the screen. In the lock state, it is not afraid of accidental touches, and sliding to unlock will enter the home screen. So, do you think this little screen